Hello, this is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. I switched locations and now I'm doing a little water detecting downtown Shelton in the little creek they have here. Just trying to think outside the box, see what they got. So, let's keep swinging, keep scooping. Okay, welcome back. Well, I just had a screaming signal come into the scoop, and it is a Samsung cell phone. It was a good 6 inches deep down here in the creek. That's cool. Let me grab it. Yep, somebody's Samsung. Okay. Well, that's cool. Put that in the relic bag. Maybe there's a memory card or something. Nice. Alright, let's keep swinging. Target number 2 out of the scoop is a cable connector. Yep, looks like a cable connector. Okay. Oh, just got a nice coin signal. I think I see a coin in the sifter. And the Enchanted State, 25 cents. All right. Okay. Another quarter. Nice. This is the 3rd quarter in this little creek. This one's in good shape. Let's just finish it up right here, and we'll head on back. Okay. Stuff's screaming. Yeah, oh, there it is. Another quarter. This is the 4th quarter in the little creek. Yeah. I'm thinking outside the box, doing this little creek that runs through town. Let's keep scooping. Okay. We got several signals. Oop. There's a coin. Nice. Oh, there's another. So that's a couple pennies out of the scoop. Oh, and there's a quarter. Nice. That's the 5th quarter. Oh, there's still coins in the... Where are... Oh, there's another little bugger. So we got a quarter and 3 pennies. And that's just about right. Alrighty. That was a nice little coin spill in the creek. Yeah.